Hey, this is Jim, your favorite Southwest Florida realtor down in your beautiful sunny Fort Myers, Florida. Standing in my latest listing. It is a two-bedroom, two-bath villa, a little under 1,000 square feet, nicely updated. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on it, show you what it's all about. This is the living area right here. Really nice. Opens up to the kitchen. That is an extended bar right there. That's extended probably out another foot and a half, maybe two. Kitchen. Looking back into the breakfast nook there. This is a luxury vinyl plank flooring. There's a really nice sitting area where you can enjoy just the beautiful scenery and the squirrels running out there. Your laundry's in there, your washer and dryer. It's in the closet. Master bedroom. Master bathroom. Nice big shower. No step. Second bedroom, very nicely done. Second bathroom. So there it is. If you'd like more information, give me a call, shoot me a text. Jim Neal, EXP Realty. This can be yours today. It's absolutely beautiful unit. It is being sold turnkey furnished with some exclusions. All right. Give us a shout. Talk soon. Have a great day.